In this video, we will learn about function generation inversion method and the synthesis of slider crank mechanism through function generation inversion method. Here we have the question: synthesis by function generation inversion method slider crank mechanism. So we have to design a slider crank mechanism to coordinate three positions of the input of the slider for the following data by inversion method. Theta 12 is equal to 30 degree, theta 13 is equal to 60 degree, S12 is equal to 40 mm, S13 is equal to 46 mm. So for the given two angular displacements of the input link and two linear displacements, the required slider crank mechanisms is obtained by following these steps. So first we have to draw a line of length L. So this is a line of length L. Then we have to take any arbitrary point and mark it as A. This will be our fixed and pivoted point. So here is the point A, we have marked it. It is an arbitrary point, can be taken anywhere. Then we are interested in marking 3 points that are C1, C2 and C3. So we have been already given the length. So we have to take C1, C2's distance as 40 mm and C1, C3's distance as 96 mm. So as you can see in the figure that I have taken 40 plus 56, so that is 96. And we also have to take the length of, I have taken the length of C1 to from A as 20 mm. Now what we have to do is that we have to rotate C2 through an angle of 30 degree in the counterclockwise direction about A. Similarly, we have to rotate the point C3 in counterclockwise direction through an angle of 60 degree about A. So what we will do is that we will get the points, new points as C2 dash and C3 dash. Then we are interested in joining the points C2 dash and C1, C2 dash and C1, and C1 and C3 dash. So we have joined these 2 points. Then we will draw mid normals of the line C1 and C2 dash and C1 C3 dash. These mid normals are intersecting at a point called B1. So we have to mark this point as B1. Then we get our required slider crank mechanism, which is A, B1 and C1. Now as you can see that I have also shown the slider crank mechanism in 2 more positions as B2 and B3. So this is the required slider crank mechanism which we get by function generation inversion method.